had a brother who came to Alaska. He said to me, Nancy, this place is incredible. I decided I'd take my vacation time and come visit him. And when I did, I fell in love with Alaska. Just saying the word salmon, I mean, you can't even quantify the importance they are to this whole entire area. Bristol Bay is salmon. They might as well call it Salmon Bay. Can't even imagine what we'd have here if we didn't have the salmon resource, both people-wise and wildlife-wise. It's the meaning of the area. It's the meaning of the state, really. I think the main reason that I'm here is to share with people how incredible this place that I call home is.